The AI disruption, what it means for your career. As AI technology continues to advance and mature, there is growing concern that many professions that were previously thought to be safe from disruption may now be at risk of being replaced by automation. While it is impossible to predict the future with certainty, it is likely that many jobs that are currently performed by humans will be automated in the coming years. One area where AI is already making significant inroads is transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks are becoming increasingly common, and it is likely that they will replace many human drivers in the future. This could include everything from taxi and rideshare drivers to long-haul truckers. This is not to say that all driving jobs will be eliminated, as there will likely be a need for human drivers in certain situations, such as emergency services or specialized transport. Another area where AI is likely to have a significant impact is manufacturing. Robots have already replaced many workers in factories, and this trend is expected to continue. Advances in AI and machine learning will enable robots to perform increasingly complex tasks, which could include everything from assembling products to quality control. The healthcare industry is another area where AI is expected to have a significant impact. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of medical data to help doctors diagnose and treat patients more effectively. Additionally, AI-powered robots could be used to perform certain procedures or provide personalized care to patients. While this may improve the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare, it could also lead to the displacement of some healthcare workers. The financial industry is also expected to be impacted by AI in the coming years. Many routine tasks in finance, such as data entry and analysis, could be automated using AI. Additionally, chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI could be used to provide customer service and support to clients. While this may lead to some job losses in the financial industry, it could also lead to new opportunities in areas such as AI development and data analysis. Other areas where AI is expected to have a significant impact include customer service, retail, and hospitality. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI could be used to provide customer service and support to customers, while robots could be used to perform tasks such as restocking shelves or cleaning hotel rooms. While this may lead to some job losses in these industries, it could also lead to new opportunities in areas such as AI development and customer service management. It's worth noting that not all jobs are equally at risk of being automated. Jobs that require a high degree of creativity, critical thinking, or social intelligence are less likely to be automated in the near future. Additionally, many jobs may require a combination of both human and AI input, with humans providing the creativity and judgment that machines lack. In conclusion, while it is impossible to predict the future with certainty, it is likely that many professions will be impacted by AI in the coming years. While this may lead to some job losses in certain industries, it could also lead to new opportunities in areas such as AI development, data analysis, and customer service management. As such, it is important for individuals and businesses to be aware of these potential changes and to adapt accordingly. Thanks for watching this video from 5-Minute Knowledge. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on a variety of topics. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Have a suggestion for a topic you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for being a part of the 5-Minute Knowledge community.